Live life to the fullest. Don't be a follower. Make a difference along the way. Remember who you are. You're unique, one of a kind. If you can create uniqueness, you can create and design the best things in the world. With our brand new debut model 956, we awaken the beast inside. With a length of 9 meters 56 and a speed only available above 50 knots and up to 1200 horsepower, we make your blood flow. Our elegant design offers you endless lines in combination with countless details. Personalize your own 956 from the beginning and be ready to enjoy your freedom to the fullest. Can you see the future? Then you can write your own history. Flynt 956. Follow your nature.